Hey Nicola, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department. I want to thank you so much for your recent online interest through the Sam's Club auto buying service and one of the all-new Honda Pilots. This is a 2019 Honda Pilot EXL, just like the one you requested information on through the program. Hopefully you got that pricing certificate we've already emailed to you. But I want to show you the vehicle in person. This is the Lunar Silver Metallic. It's the EXL package. We have them both two-wheel and all-wheel drive options. Interior of the cab will give you seating for 8, which is very comfortable. Top green heated leather seats. You'll see the leather wrapped steering wheel as well as memory, 2-position memory seating, standard on that option. Also going to have your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto for all your streaming services, your in-dash navigation there. Pops right on up. The seating for the third row access is push button entry and exit, so super easy to get in and out of. And the good news is it's one of the safest mid-size SUVs on the market for 2019. You got to call me today. We've got a lot of deals going on. End of the month's coming up here. Honda's closing out these 19s with a very aggressive pricing structure, so love to give you an opportunity to take one of these off of our hands. You can reach me at 205-504-2358 by phone or text, and I'll make you this promise: when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.